get a better vibe while I'm sipping on my Henny. I want to kiss on nobody, but I gotta make a holler while I'm giving up the D. Like, that was my shit, man. Right? And then I heard this earlier today, right? I heard this earlier today. Luda had jumped on the jump. And that shit have took me back. So try to roll with it, baby. Baby, I'm gonna make you feel like you know. Girl, with the we get baby, 1+1 ain't 2 when you're with me. C ain't after A and B when you're with me. It don't make sense right now, but it will. Huh? Regular ain't in my vocabulary. When it comes to making either is missionary. That's the shit, boy. Jamie. Yeah. From Terrell, Texas. I think I said it right. Right? Eric Bischoff. Peace to Jamie. And then what else? Real Jamie. The real Jamie. Right? And then what else was at that time? What else was at that time? You know what I'm saying? We had some good shit. They ushered it, like I said before, boo, they ushered us into our nasty adulthood. That nastiness. You know what I mean? Because shit we ain't no business. No business. Because it was about 7th grade at that time, and this was still 04, and guess who it came out? Who? Pretty Ricky of the bad. Baby, grind on me, man. That was my shit. Goddamn dick moan. I got the sexy thong to make the dick moan. Like, yeah. Like, you know what I mean? But that was when that happened. That was 2006. I was getting more grown by then. We gonna travel up. But 04, they did that jump. That was a cut right there. What grade were you in? That was 7th. I stayed back. That was 7th. The year before that, 2003. I was a freshman. For real? The year before that, 2003, it was 2002. Well, 2000, I would say 2000. I'm going to go as far as say 2000 to 2003, right? It was the Caribbean takeover, right? And yeah, my man. Whoa, whoa, whoa. No, first of all, he was like, saddest day of my life is when she left me with a broken heart. I was feeling the pain, the sad. And then it turned into, got somebody, she's a beauty. That was the shit. And then part of the other Caribbean takeover, I don't know why I still remember their name though, but peace to these sisters, Lumi D.